My hand even.
Today we'll be doing our unboxing video with my sister Adelaide, and we have multiple of them, and so I hope you enjoy this video, and let's get started. Okay, so first we'll start with
This.
and let's see what we have. Oh, we have multiple of them. Now let's do this one first. We drawed a Mickey Mouse, which is kind of surprising. It's kind of surprising because Mickey Mouse is known to be the first main character, and we drew the first one. It's perfect timing. Here we go, Mickey Mouse. Next, let's open this one. This one is a key. I think it's from Mirabelle, and it has a poppet to it.
Wait, pause for don't pause. Whatever. Look at how cool these like covers are. Like they're like all like tie-dye, and it's so cool. I love it.
Yeah, and then they also have the sticker.
The sticker. The sticker is the most important.
Yes, and the poppet. And we will put this right here. Now let's open the next one. We're gonna open this one next. Let's see what's in it.
We already cut it. So.
Yep. We have this Moana, and it's really pretty, and I love the poppet here. And then I love how pretty she is in these. And Moana's so beautiful. So yeah. Now let's do the next one.
Came from this one. Beautiful.
Let's do this one next. We will be using this one. We got Wally, one of the cutest Disney ones. And he's so cute. And we got the sticker also.
And he was from, where is it? This one. This beautiful.
And he has this and that. Now let's open the next box, and wait, there's one more left and I did not realize it. We will be opening
Missed the Wally sticker.
this one.
Oh, it's like a cute little keychain. Wow.
We can put it on them if we want to for stickers, or not for the stickers, for putting the pops on the backpack.
And here's just a list. I don't think we're gonna show you because it's a lot of work. Like it's really long, but here's like a list of like all of the stuff you can get.
Let's do the next pack. This is what happens when you put them together. A pretty keychain. You can put it on your backpack and things like that. Now let's do the next pack. Let's do the next packet.
Okay. Our next one will be like this hatchling alive thing. I don't think you need scissors because you can just open it at the end.
We can just open it at the ends. Now, why don't we open it? Ugh. It looks like inside of it we have an hatchimal egg.
Oh.
Interesting. We have
a little like list of what you can get. It's normal. We're gonna get them in the rest of them because I'm pretty sure we have another one of this. And how do we do this? So we just like put the egg here. We wait for it to hatch.
you put water in it.
Okay.
So while we are waiting for that, why don't we start with the next one while we quickly fill this with water?
While Chloe's grabbing that, it came with this like cute little thing. It's cracking. It hatched like barely right when we put the water in. It's kind of just like going up. It's so cute. Let's see. All right, I don't think it's gonna go any more up, so I think we kind of have to rip the egg. Oh, the water turned like purple.
That's cute.
Like still dropping purple. Hold on, we're gonna keep it in there. It's like, it's actually like so cute. It's like a purple water. You can probably see a little bit. And now let's like open it. Probably put like the trash on the treadmill, so hold on, let me do that real quick.
So we have this beautiful hatchimal, and I'm not sure what its name is, but it looks like it's purple. I'm gonna name it Spiky. Spiky's super cute, and it has a hat, and I don't know what the hat is exactly, but it's super cute.
Like Crescent.
Crescent now. Crescent. And yeah, so this is our hatchimal, first one, and so we'll do the other ones once we clean up this mess. Let's do the next hatchimal one.
Oh, we're doing the hatchimal again? Okay.
Oh no, we're just doing a different one.
Let's just do the hatchimal to get them all.
We'll do this one. I'm assuming this one this one actually has something that you can look at. And this one also has a tub. Now, while Adelaide will be explaining this, I will be using the water. And
Okay. So, go get the water and I'll explain it.
okay.
Okay, so officially, this one is like supposed to sit in it. So, with the hatching stuff, so this is basically like, I wanted to just stick it in there, but I probably can't. It's like something like you'll put on them. It's really cute. It's like hard to see though. Anyway, basically we put it on like this pedestal in the water, and it'll turn the water like a certain color of like the hatchimal. You can probably see from the bottom. This one's probably gonna be like pink. And yeah, and then the hatchimal just kind of pops out. We'll show you it this time.
Let's put,
This time we put less water in it. Whoa.
and yeah, let's get started. It looks like it's gonna crack soon. I see. We officially realized it needs more water, so we're gonna go get some. Anyway, so it looks like this one's a yellow one. Well, including this pinky. Oh. So let's take a look at this. It looks like we're supposed to pour water above to that height, and it has to be warm water.
Okay, we got it.
Is it warm water?
Nope.
It has to be warm, it looks like.
Alright, now pause it again so we can.
We will now finally put it in the tub of water. Still really
How
cool.
hot does it need to be?
It needs to be. It cracked a little bit.
It's okay. It's cracking a little bit. We're gonna put some other water in it. Actually, no. This one might just take a little bit. Okay, we waited like a while. The water's turned pink. We're gonna wait a little bit more for the egg to crack.
It looks like that we need warmer water. Sorry for this delay. We need really warm water, and my sister still put it cold. Well, we'll be looking at the other animal at the time. Oh, it was supposed to be like this. Well, anyway, this is the binky, I'm pretty sure. And I hope you enjoyed the hatchimals, because this is probably one of my favorite things to do, unboxing. I love scratching her little stomach. And yeah, it's a boy or a girl. You can pick. I think she should be a girl. Well, anyway, I called her she, so she's a she. Well, we'll be waiting. And you think you probably could hear that sound, which is probably her. And let me just in case we don't get anything wrong, I'll take a look at this new hatchimals we can get. We can get mini hatchimals, it looks like. And I've gotten many of those.
You can pause it.
We're gonna put the egg
Okay,
in.
it's the final moment of truth. I actually put warm water in it.
It feels pretty warm. And then it's hatching.
Oh, yay! Okay, hold on.
Can you see the crack a little bit?
Yeah, it's slowly cracking, so you obviously put more water in it. Oh, there it goes. Oh, it's like a cute unicorn. I knew it was going to be pink. I told them it was going to be pink. Okay, it's not really cracking anymore. Okay, so basically we figured out, so this one is, so the heart means like rare. And then, so the unicorn basically is like one of the rarest ones. This is super rare, but I don't know if this is like true, because they'll just sometimes to make people feel good about themselves and then buy it more. But it actually might be true. Anyway, yeah,